Friends, in the series of videos regarding sitemap, what we have learned in our previous videos, we have learned what is sitemap, how to find the location of sitemap, how to create XML sitemap file. Now after creation, what is required? It is required to submit your website XML sitemap file to the search engines like Google. Why we submit our XML sitemap file? We submit as these search engines, crawler or boots come in our websites and they will search whatever information we have written in our website. They get aware of our websites and they can index our blog page for the ranking purposes. So it's very important to submit your XML sitemap file to the search engines. In this video today, we will learn only how to submit your XML sitemap file to the search engines like Google. I am Sonali Shrivastava. Stay tuned with me and let's start learning. For submitting your XML sitemap file to search engines like Google, there is one precondition. That is, you have to add your website to the Google Search Console. Now, what is Google Search Console? Google Search Console is a free tool, which older name is Google Webmaster Tool. It is a tool or service provided by Google in order to maintain, monitor and troubleshoot your websites. So it's very important to add your website to Google Search Console. Let's step by step. We know that how to submit your XML sitemap file to the search engines like Google. So the first step is to add your website to the Google Search Console. That is the first precondition and this is the first step also. So let's move to my computer screen and you will know how to do it. It's very important to add your website to Google Search Console. If we haven't done, you have to do it right now. Let's see how we will do it. Go to Google and type here Google Search Console. Click here Google Search Console tool. This type of interface will open. Here click on Start Now button. While clicking it, you will see there is two options, that is domain and URL prefix. We will go with URL prefix as it is a straightforward way. Before that, if you are already having your website attached with Google Search Console and you want your one more website to add to Google Search Console, how you will do that? Let's see that. You have to open your Google Search Console account. As my website is already attached with Google Search Console, that's why it is written here. Your website, whichever website is attached, that will also be seen here. While scroll down button, you click here and you will add properties. And add properties, you will again see the same two options, that is domain and URL prefix. You can go any of them and attach your new website here. Let's go back and see if you are not having any website attached with the Google Search Console, how you will do that. We will go with the URL prefix as it is a straightforward way which I have already told you. Here in URL prefix, you have to write your complete website address. That is your complete website URL. So you have to type here, as I am typing here my website address, https://mssaro.com and click the continue. The second step is to verify the ownership. That is, you have to verify the ownership of your website. Let's see how we can verify the ownership of our website. It's very simple to do. Let's see. Let's move to my computer screen. Let's verify our ownership of the website. In URL prefix, you have to write the URL of your website and continue button. While continue button, the verify ownership page will open. Here there is two options. Download the file. This is HTML file. And after downloading this file, what you have to do? You have to upload this file to the root directory. Now, what is the root directory of your website? Root directory will be present where you have hosted your website for the worldwide viewers. For example, my website is hosted on Bluehost. So I would find the root directory on the Bluehost. Similarly, in whichever web hosting service provider you have hosted your website, you will find the root directory over there. Download the file and here the Bluehost and file manager. Go to file manager and here this is a cPanel of Bluehost and here you have found public underscore HTML. You have to click here and you have to upload that document over here, anywhere over here. Similarly, whichever web hosting service provider you are hosting your website, the root directory, you have to upload your document over here. And after uploading your document, we have to go back, and here in verify ownership, you have to verify your website. You saw how simple it is to verify your website ownership. Now the third and final step is how to submit your website XML sitemap file to the search engines like Google. Let's see it. Go to your Google Search Console account. At left side you will find sitemap. Click here, and here it's written that add a new sitemap. Your sitemap file may be in a form sitemap.xml. In most of the cases it is sitemap.xml. Second, it is sitemap underscore index.xml if you are using Yoast SEO for making your sitemap. Third, it would be wp-sitemap.xml if you are using WordPress 5.5 or above version of WordPress. Then WordPress will automatically make your sitemap file. So here, as I am using Yoast SEO for making the sitemap, so here I will type sitemap underscore index.xml, and then I will click on a submit button, and it will show that sitemap submitted successfully. Congrats! Finally, you have submitted your website XML sitemap file to Google Search Console. Now, if you want to find where is your XML sitemap file of your website, please do refer to our blogs and videos regarding how to find XML sitemap file of your website. Link would be in the description box for you. Now, let's see how to check our website on a Google, whether our website comes in Google or not. Let's see. Let's move back to my computer. Go to Google and type here site, that is SITE colon and your website name, that is I am writing here my website name mssaro.com, and click the enter button, and you will see that my website has been recognized by Google. All the blog page has been seen here. I am able to see that Google is recognizing my website. Isn't it good that Google is tracking your website? Google is aware of your website, that such and such website is available, and with the help of a Google, your reader will come to your websites. Whatever article, blog post, images, whatever information you have given for your reader, they can come and read from there. So it's very important to submit your XML sitemap file to the search engines like Google. Hope you have a great insight from this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.